Good afternoon, my name is Sarah Holm. It's August 14th and I am going to start my antibiotic sensitivity for the Kirby Bauer Diffusion test. I've already poured my plate and marked it with PCN, GNT, and NVB. I have my candle lit and my discs and my pipette and tweezers soaking in alcohol. So first, I'm gonna start by removing the lid of my culture broth that was done prior, and I'm gonna put it through the flame to sterilize the tip of it. And then I'm gonna remove the pipette from the alcohol and expel it all. And I'm going to draw up some of this, and then I'm going to lift the top of the plate, and right in the middle where all three sections, I'm going to do 8 drops. Okay, place the lid back on that, put that in there, and I'm going to put the pipette in bleach. Then I'm going to sterilize the tip of this again and put the lid back on. Then I'm going to take my L shape, and without touching the end of it, I'm going to use this bottom part to evenly distribute throughout. And then this is gonna go back in my bleach. Now I'm gonna leave the plate standing lid side up for 1 to 2 hours. After that I'm going to place each one of these discs in their specific spots. And that's gonna be used by my sterilized tweezers, and I'm gonna sterilize in between each one as well. And then this is gonna go into incubation for 12 hours. And if there's growth, then I will take a picture of it. If there's not, then I'm going to let it grow for 12 more. And then without removing the lid, I'm gonna use my ruler, and I'm gonna measure the inhibition around it. So like the area that's like around. And then you'll see pictures of that in my lab. Now for the second part, I'm going to do some research on penicillin, and then also too, I'm going to use my microscope and view the penicillin slide. So 1 second for me. All right, so I'm going to move this to the low power really quick and put this in. And I'm going to adjust it a little bit. All right, then I'm gonna change it to the high power. All right, and then I'm gonna take a picture of this, and you'll also see that in my table. Thank you.